Hi guys, and welcome back. So I've just been listening to little girls playing next door. They sound so happy. Before they head back to school, they're just playing in their backyard, playing some sort of clapping game, I guess. But they sound really happy. So maybe if you listen carefully, you can hear them in the background as I'm doing my video. So, reason 3 paragraph, we are nearly done with explaining our reasons, and that is amazing. So we're getting there. We're getting close to being finished with at least our major reasons. So, again, I want to point out that you are meeting some standards here. Your standards are being able to provide reasons. You're giving me reasons. You gave me those reasons. You gave me 3 good reasons. And you're also trying to link those opinions and your opinion and your reasons using transition words. So all of that is something that you've been accomplishing all through these steps. Okay? So that is what, I'm expecting you to do, and I'm expecting you to be able to prove to me. Once you are doing this on your own, that's the bar that I'm setting that you need to be able to meet to say, hey, I'm an accomplished 4th grade writer. All right. So again, you're looking at your 3rd reason, and my 3rd reason is buying ice cream in many different places where you live. So depending on where you live, of course, that could possibly be different, but you and I all know that I live in Rapid City, South Dakota. So where are some of the places that we could buy ice cream? Well, okay, so I can, you can go to the grocery store, go to the grocery store, Safeway, to buy ice cream in Rapid City. Okay, that is one place. You can go to the grocery store Safeway to buy ice cream in their dairy section. I'm going to put in the dairy section. Frozen dairy section. Okay. So I make sure I put a period on that. And next place, where can I buy ice cream? I could buy ice cream at McDonald's. When you are driving around, you can stop. Oh, I personally don't buy ice cream at McDonald's. I've only done that once in the last 10 years. But I do go to Armadillo's in the summer. Strawberry butter, my favorite. I go there so much. Sometimes when I ride my bike, because I ride my bike a lot, I find an excuse to go by there and buy some ice cream. Okay, so I'm going to put that on there. So when you're driving around, or riding your bike, that's me, you can stop off at your favorite ice cream shop, like Armadillo's or Dairy Queen. To buy a cold or frozen treat. Okay. Oh, I need to put a period on that. Sentence, capitalized, period. And I'm going to quickly make sure that those are wrapping around so you can read them. Alright, I'll have to make sure that that's there. Lovely. So, my last place that you could possibly buy ice cream, so you can buy them at grocery stores, you can buy them at ice cream shops, you can buy them at restaurants, you can buy it at gas stations. Where else can you buy ice cream? Restaurants and convenience stores and grocery stores, mostly. I mean, you can go to Walmart. A lot of you probably go to Walmart, so I think I can put that in there. I think that would be a safe bet. A grocery store like Walmart, but that would kind of fall into a grocery store. And then there's ice cream shops, but then you can go buy ice cream you can do it at most restaurants too. Most restaurants have ice cream as a dessert for you after you eat your dinner. Period. Okay? So, promise it's not COVID. Yeah, so there you go. You have three different reasons. You can read through them down here and make sure that you kind of like them. Again, if you don't like them, you change them in the green. Nowhere else. Don't change it in that white spot, because if you change it in that white spot, it'll just totally mess it up, and you'll be like, hey, all my writing disappeared. It will disappear. Because this isn't really right. This down here really isn't text. It's magically, it's a thing that I wrote that magically makes it look like your text is in there. But if you click in here, you notice that there's this funny stuff up here. But if you go and click here, you notice, oh, there's words there. But if you click in this box, there's no words there. There's just some funny looking text. It's like, there's no words in there. No, it's something Mrs. Nelson wrote that makes it look like there's words in that box. But there's no real words in that box. It just looks like it. So please don't mess that up. Because then I would have to come back and fix it. I really don't want to fix it. Please, please, please don't do that. Okay, so now that you have your transitions, you've read them, you like it. All right, we're moving on, we're moving on, we're moving on. Let's go, let's go, let's go.